Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. Izuki, here's your request video drawing of the Ugandan Knuckles. Ugandan Knuckles is a 2018 gaming meme. It's derived from the character Knuckles from the Sonic the Hedgehog series back in the 90s. This is a meme that's sort of blowing up, and it's been really taking over something called VR chat at the moment. So it's a hilarious meme that's sort of taken the gaming arena by storm. So Izuki, thank you for putting me onto this. I didn't know an awful lot about it when I first had a look, but I did a little bit of research. Go and check some of the videos out, they're really funny. So I hope you like this. I thought that I would do my own take on this, and I actually drew the original Knuckles in the top left corner, as you can see, with the Ugandan Knuckles in the middle, with his trademark "Do You Know the Way" coming out of the speech bubble. I used Copic markers to do the colouring on this. I used a cadmium red, a cadmium orange, and I also used a cardinal red for the darker areas on the Ugandan Knuckles. I used my cool grey 3, and I also used a peach colour for Knuckles' tongue. This drawing took me about an hour and a half to 2 hours in total. Really fun to draw. It wasn't my most difficult drawing, but thank you so much for putting me onto this. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, guys. I hope you like this. It's probably not my best drawing that I've ever done, but I think that the way that this character looks, it isn't a detailed character. I hope that I've captured it for you, Izuki. And like I say, thank you for the request. If any of you guys out there have got any other requests for me, I've not done many gaming characters. I recently did a Sonic the Hedgehog, but I'm enjoying doing the gaming characters. They're a lot of fun. They take me back to my childhood. So just get those requests sent in if you've got something that you'd like to see me draw. Don't forget to contact me on all of my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. You can get hold of all of those in the descriptions linked down below. There's also a link in the descriptions to all of the equipment that I use, all of the Copic markers, pens and pencils and paper. So be sure to check that out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. I'm enjoying making them for you. So I'm going through a daily video binge at the moment. I'm kind of keeping up with myself by making a couple of videos a day and uploading those to YouTube. So don't forget to turn the notifications icon on, and that means that you'll be updated when I do release new content, which, like I say, is going to be daily. But like I say, really enjoying doing the anime, really enjoying doing the manga. I'm going to get doing a few more graphite pieces in a little while. I've got a picture of my dog that we bought on New Year's Day that I'm going to be doing soon, so be sure to check that out. And like I say, thank you so much for supporting the channel. I've seen some real good growth recently. My aim is to try and get to 3,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I'm currently sitting at about 1,700, so any help is much appreciated. There's my finished drawing. I hope you like it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.